Hi friends, first of all we take introduction of mutual fund. Mutual fund is a special type of company that puts together money from many investors and invest it on behalf of the group. In accordance with a stated set of objectives, this a mutual fund is a trust of such that it's a saving of a number of investors who shared common financial goal. Scheme of team of mutual fund can have different characters and objectives. Mutual fund issue unit to their investors which present an equitable right in the effect of mutual fund. The money was collected in which to buy the fund manager in different types of securities depending upon the objective of the scheme. Next, we take types of return. Mainly, types of returns are two. First of all, capital appreciation, and second one, dividend distribution. Then we discuss capital appreciation. An increase in the value of the unit of the fund is known as capital appreciation. Asset value of individual securities and fund increases, the fund unit price increases. An investor can book a profit by selling the unit at a price higher than the price at which he bought the unit. The second return is dividend distribution. The profit earned by the fund is distributed among unit ordered in the form of dividend. Dividend distribution again two types. It can be either invested in the fat or can be paid to the investors. Then we discuss classification of mutual fund scheme. Mainly the classification done 19 classification of mutual fund. The first one mutual fund is open end fund. Most mutual funds are open end. The reason why these funds are called open end is because there is no limit to the number of new shares that they can issue. New and started may add money to the funds as they want and the will issue new share to them. And second one, closed-end funds. It has stipulated maturity period which generally ranging from 3 to 15 years. The fund is open for subscription only during a specified period. Investor can sell the unit of the scheme on the stock exchange where they are listed. In order to provide in exit route to the investors. The third one is interval fund. Interval fund combine the features of open end and closed end scheme. They are often for sale or redemption during predetermined interval NAP related prices. The fourth one is growth fund. The aim of growth fund is to provide capital appreciation over the medium to long term. Such scheme normally invest majority of their fund in equities. It has been provided that return from stock have outperformed much other kind of investment held over the long term. The fifth one is income fund. The aim of income fund is to provide regular and steady income to investors. Such a scheme generally invests in fixed income securities such as bonds, corporate debenture, and government securities. Income funds are ideal for capital stability and regular income. Sixth one is balanced fund. The aim of balanced fund is to provide both growth and regular income. Such a scheme period distribute a part of their earning and in which both in equities and fixed income securities in the proportion indicate in their offer document. Right, Kenya pricing stock market of this scheme may not normally keep pace or for legally when the market falls. These are ideal for investors looking for a combination of income and moderate growth. Then seventh one is stock mutual funds. Stock mutual fund, also sometimes called equity funds, are mutual funds that invest only in stock. For that reason, they are considered to be more than most other types of funds. Eighth one is bond mutual fund. As the name suggests, one mutual fund invests in bonds and other debt securities. As such, they are conservative investment that aim to protect the invested principal while paying out a regular income, rather than taking on more risk in search of superior return. If you invest in a bond fund, you will receive monthly dividend from their fund that include interest payment on their fund under underlying securities plus any capital appreciation in the interest payment on the underlying securities plus any capital appreciation in the prices. Then we discussed ninth one mutual fund classification, that is money market funds. Money market funds are among the safest and most stable of all the different types of mutual fund. Invest in short and debt to a near debt of organizations such as treasury bills, certificates of deposit, and commercial paper. The main goal is the preservation of principal. Accompanied by modest evidence, this answer is not guaranteed or insured by or any other institution. Although money market mutual are the paper types of mutual fund. Then 10th one is international mutual fund. This fund invests desired pull in our sales job markets and provide great future diversified portfolio. International mutual fund may be portfolio when some markets are rising and other are declining. The moment of foreign currencies of countries in which investment against the place we shall role in this case of this fund. Then 11th one is tax saving scheme. These games offer tax benefits students invested under specific provision of the Indian income tax law has the government offers stock incentives for investment in specified avenues. Invent command made in equity linked savings scheme and pension scheme are allowed as deduction under the Income Tax Act 1963. The act also provides opportunities to investors crystal capital gain and by investing in mutual funds. 12th one is index scheme. Index fund built its portfolio by buying stock in all the companies of a particular index. The fund therefore produced the performance of a section of the market. Our index fund attempt to replicate the performed of a particular index such as their BS Sensex or the NSE 50. Then 13th one, small cap, mid cap and large cap fund. In stock market, companies are divided into many groups according to their market compact supplies and large cap, mid cap and small cap companies. Market capitalization is one way of measuring the size of the company and is decided by the number of shares in the market at value per share. Mutual funds are also categorized like this based on the share they hold. Then 14th one, sectoral fund. This fund invests in specific sectors like energy, telecommunication, reconstruct transportation, and financial service. Some of these thermally opened up a sector of good investment potential. Then 15th one, domestic fund. Fund which mobilize resources from a particular geographic locality like a country or region or domestic fund. Then 16th one, offshore fund. This offshore fund attract for foreign capital for investment in the country of the issuing company. That facilitates border fund flow which lead to an increase in foreign currency and foreign exchange reserve. Then 17 to 1 equity linked saving scheme. In order to encourage investors to invest in equity market, the government has given tax construction through special scheme. Investment in this scheme titled that invested to claim an income tax rebate. But these schemes carry a lock-in period before the end of which the fund cannot be withdrawn. Then 18th one, glide funds. These funds invest exclusively in government security. Government security have no default risk. Name of this scheme also due to change in interest rate and other economic factors the in case the with income or debt oriented scheme. The 19th one is systematic investment plan. A systematic investment plan or is a way to invest in mutual fund regularly. The idea is to set apart a sum every month or quarter and use that to buy unit of a particularly mutual fund. Regardless of its price, pop like such system because it helps them save and build up an investment. It has growth mutual fund within reach of an average person as is sustainable even thus with a tight budget to invest rupees 500 or rupees 1000 on regular basis in place of making a heavy on-time investment. Then a specific amount should be invested for a continuous period at irregular interval under this plan. SIP is similar to a regular savings scheme like recurring deposit. It is a method of investing a fixed sum regularly in a mutual fund.